Sanibona emakhaya igama lami Scelo Ngubane. I'm inspirational speaker. Today we have the flamboyant and very intelligent woman who is in business. Please introduce yourself.
Wow, sanibona emakhaya igama Zanele Khoza. Usomabhizinisi omncane nje obuye endaweni nje encanyana esethwathwa.
Yes.
Ngi-owner yeDinakazi Bakery.
Okay.
Bonke bhuti Scelo.
Thank you very much for having us. So today we're gonna observe and learn your journey of your business. You know, an inspirational journey mixed with tears of joy and triumph and all of the frustrations that come with just being a businesswoman. So tell us about the journey, about where you started until now.
Ngibonga ithuba kuqala.
Thank you.
Kwinyanga yabomama eMbokodo.
Yes.
Mina ibusiness ngiliqale ngisesemncane kakhulu at the age of 12 years.
Yes.
Ngikhuliswa ugogo nomkhulu singabazukulwana babo sibaningi bese-8 bebhekene nathi ngaleso sikhathi ke bekunzima kakhulu ngoba bebeziphilela ngodanki lowo bhuti Scelo ubufika bewunonophakathi angazi ngawubiza kanjani ulimi elizwakala laselokishini if bathola le pay yabo igrant ngolimi lamanje boyithola January uyithola ngoMarch njalo so it was very difficult. So ekukhuleni kwami ke ngibe ulo muntu othi makabheka isimo angazi noma ngizothi ubuhlakani nganginikezwa uJehova noma ubani because no one forced me ukuthi ngenze business ngaleso sikhathi. So ekhaya bekunezihlahla zamapentshisi amapiyere ama-apula. So mina ngokubona isimo sasekhaya bengiye ngikha amapentshisi ngisathi amapentshisi end of February bengiqala ukha amapentshisi ngiye esikolweni and by then bekunesikhathi zokuthwaza isports.
Okay.
Yes. So makune sports ngiyahamba ngigcwalisa ibhakede ngiyahlala lapha ngikhohlwe ngibuya nemali endlini.
Wow.
Ngaleso sikhathi bhuti Scelo ipentshisi bekuyi2 cents. Khona that 2 cents eyinkulu nje nosi omncane yes. Kufika isikhathi sama-apula ngoMarch. Yimi lonke ama-apula. Ngisho nesikolweni bengithengisa noma ngasiyi-sport every day mina bengihamba neplastic ngesikolweni. Bezingekho izikhwama bhuti Scelo ngaleso sikhathi. Iplastic le rice le teskike ngencwadi, iplastic lamafruits esikolweni.
Wow.
End of March sifike isikhathi samapiyere. Bengiwakha ngakavuthwa kamapiyere because bengiyengibona ukuthi ayangibambezela. Nesihlahla ezikhulu ekhaya. So ngikhela amapiyere lana ngiwavundise ngiwafake lapha phakathi kwamaplastic uyahlanganisa konke ubeka lapha. Once athamba ushona esikoleni uyathengisa. Ngesikhathi ke sabo March uthi end of March ukuyela le ngithengisa ama-fish bread. Bengithatha amaqanda ekhaya ke bhuti Scelo. Isinkwa bekusathengiswa nama-half loaf ngaleso sikhathi leso.
Okay.
Ngiqale nge-half loaf ngithengise if kuyaphela kusasa ngiya-eda njalo amaqanda ngithatha ekhaya. So bengiyilo muntu othengisayo from the age of 12 years ngakhula kwafikelela isikhathi ukuthi ngiye secondary. So manje secondary unfortunately ugogo nomkhulu bebengasekho. I had to move la eDavidton la ngifike ngahlala khona noma uma ke bekasebenza hlala nobrother wami nosister wami omkhulu. Aziholela imali encane asebenza emakhishini leyo mali bencane kakhulu ngakhona ukuthi ingasi supporta as umndeni.
Yes.
Ukhumbule kumele kurent. Kumele kuthenge ukudla, i-school fees, i-uniform. So mina ke ngenhlanhla enkulu ngathola isikolo, mangithola isikolo ngaqhubeka nokufunda, angiyekanga ukufunda.
Okay.
Ngoba isimo senzima. So esikolweni bekune shop bebethi kwaNdlovu ngaleso sikhathi. Bengithenga lapha ama-stock sweet.
Okay.
Ngithenga amazimba, ngifase mangibuya esikolweni, thenga ama-stock sweet. Ngami ngesikolweni.
Wow.
Each and every day bekuyinto yami yosuku nosuku and ngafunda lapho ukuthi ngibheke iprofit ukuthi yenzani. So bengithenga lama stock sweet ngihambe ngesikoleni ngithengisa during break noma kunomsindo mina eclassini bengibona makunomsindo ngale beku-advantage yami ukuthi ngihambe ngiyokwenza business.
Uyazi ukuthi bangana teacher it's a business.
Mina ke ngimuntu oshaye stalo angikhulumi ngikhuluma makufanelekile but bengisebenzisa leso sikhathi bekuzothi noma ufika uthisha afika athi ashaya abayarasile mina bekangangibaleli lapho ngoba sengifike ngahlala ngazigoqa kwabe nje kuphelile.
Wow.
So ngibe ulo muntu othengisayo esikolweni kwafikelela isikhathi sokuthi ngiphume ke esikolweni. But kuleso sikhashanyana esincane bengikhona ukuthi ngimsize uma.
Okay.
Uma bekafana nabo mama bala elokushini. Bekulo muntu ukuthi makuyi weekend odlula nomchanyelo woza ngapha.
Ikoloto. Okay.
Ozidlulela nezimpahlo woza ngapha. Each and every time umama bekahlala nezikoloto.
Eish.
Ngapha ezama society. Bengikwazi ukuthi ngibeke isinkwe etafuleni.
Wow.
Bengikwazi ukuthi mangiphuma esikolweni umama makafika kunesaka lempuphu endlini.
Wow.
Kunesaka umthola ukuthi isaka lamaveji ngithengile uyafika nje yonke into seyi right. Imali yokugibela bekangasaphuma uma ukuthi athi ayofuna imali bengimbekela imali yokugibela.
Wow.
Ahamba emsebenzini. Ngiphile leyo mpilo ke up until ngithola ke umsebenzi after ngiphasa imatric angikwazanga ukuya esikoleni ngenxa yesimo.
Okay.
Ngathola umsebenzi. Ngisebenzile lapho bekunzima kakhulu. Because mina mangisebenza umlungu wathi makangiqashe bengisebenza eMatalianeni.
Okay.
Yes, bekuyi King Pie bakery yakhona. So bekunzima wathi angikaze ngiqashe umuntu osifazana la. Uzongena kanjani? Ngathi mina akhonto engizoyenza ngiyawufuna umsebenzi. Wathi ngiyakusama. Ngangena butsizwe kwakunzima ngendlela eyisimanga. Kwakunzima cause we had to lift amapani a heavy. Mawungangibona ngimabhonte namhlanje but I'm proud.
Wow.
Ngalama bhonte mangikhomba abantwana bami ukuthi abantwana bami ngiyangibona ngibuya kuphi cause bekumele ulifte lamapana up heavy uyowafaka kuphi phezulu azokhona ukuthi abanjwe insimbi. Ngisebenzile lapho I think ngisebenze 2-3 years.
It's why you were getting 50 rand a week.
Yes, bekunzima. Hayi kancane. Ngisebenzile lapho ngathi mangiphuma lapho ngabuya ngazohlala elokushini ngabona ukuthi hey kunzima. Mangihlala elokushini ngathatha lokho okuncane benginakho. Ngastocka amaveji ngibuyela kuphi back to KwaNdlovu sengimuvele ethu ethwathwa manje. Senginomlingane wami ke ipartner yami nginendodakazi eyi1.
Wow.
So mangihleli lapho ngiqhubeka nokusebenza ngiyenza le business yami incane nje amaveji. Ngimane ngibeka ke amakhekhe lana. Cause ngiyabona angithi mawuhlela umuntu ujwayela ibusiness uyawabona mana amathuba ukuthi mangathi lokho mangafaka lokho because mawubona bedlule kusena abantu mina ngiseduzane nendlela not really eduzane but bengiseduze nekhona.
Okay.
Ngacela amakhelwane manje ngicela ukuhlala la eduzane nawo cause ngiyabona abantu abadluli la ngakwami badlula ngale sokumele ngithathe ibusiness ngiyise ebantwini.
Wow.
Umakhelwane ngobubele wavuma manje ngahlala la. Bengithwala ubisi butsizwe from eBarcelona to ePititi la.
Yo.
Angikukanga njalo. Uyangibona ngithi
no, ukukanga impela.
But bengihamba ngeenyawo ngiyePititi ngibuye nebhakede lobisi. Ngilifaka kuma 2 liter ngilibeke lapha. Ngikhanda ama-ice bekuyi 20 cents ngaleso sikhathi. Ngibeka ama-ice khona lapha. Mangihleli nje ekseni ngiprepare ama-ice ngiyabona abantu bayadlula mos lapha ngasestandini sami. Why ngingabeka amakhekhe? Ngaqala nge2.5 nje yeflour. Ngayenza ama-muffins.
Wow.
Ngawabeka lapha. Following day ama-muffins aphelile. Ngawaphinda. Sengimanengi eda manje you understand ukuthi from 2.5 thengi 5 kg. Ngabuya from 5 kg ngathi 12.5. Hamusi iyahamba manje seyifuna ukoverpower le business yama veg. Ngithengisile lapho amakhekhe. Ngathengisa ngabona ukuthi manje angisakhona ukuyostock. I-demand yamakhekhe it's very high now. Angisabeki i10 liter transparent. Sengithatha nje 20 liter ibhakede ngibeka lapha. Ngathengisa kwafika isikhathi lapho ngabona ukuthi no man. Ithi ngihambe ngiyerenkini because labantu engibathengisela baya kuphi? Erenkini.
Ibusiness yebantwini.
Kwamele ngithathe ibusiness ngiyisebantwini. Ngithengisile erenkini. Erenkini kunesikhathi ke butsizwe sokuthi abantu baphele. 9 o'clock akunabantu ngizobenza ngiyekile manje ibusiness lama veg. ngiyabona ukuthi kungcono ngimane ngiphuma ngiye nasemizini ngiyothengisa khona lapho emizini ke ngithengisile ngathengisa ngathola omunye umfana nje lo mfana mama ngicela umsebenzi ngithi mina no man ngizokuqasha ngizobhadala ngani amakhekhe it was 250 ngaleso sikhathi iphakeshanyana nje amakhekhe awu5 umfana wangincenga ngamnikeza ibhakede wayothengisa amakhekhe kula khona ngabona ukuthi ya ibusiness ikhona from that 12.5 bese ngithenga amabhekha awu5 and manje sekumele ngiqashe imoto ingilandela amasaka cause angisakwazi ukubeka lamasaka enhloko and manje angisakwazi kuyolanda ubisi lengizokwenza amakhekhe so kwamele manje ngiqashe imoto ezomani ngenzele ibusiness nami likhule kanjalo ke kusizwe up until now. But ngiye ngathola nabanye ke endleleni ngihamba kwendlela bafika bazofuna imisebenzi ngibaqashe baphume bayashona le so ngabona ukuthi manje ibusiness likhulile ngaqala ke ngabona opportunity nanka ama shop nga distribute ema shop ngiyasebenza futhi ngiyasebenza angisayenzi lanto ukuthi ngidistribute eThwathwa kuphela ngiyahamba up to Kombalenhle Delmas ngiyafika koMaslovo ngiyafika kwaThema Tsakane Duduza ngiyafika from that 2.5 yeflower up to la was khona wena
this is so inspirational. So as we're looking at inyanga yomama and we're celebrating the women of triumph, you know, the women of virtue, the women abathi ngesuthi bathwala thipa bukhaling. We can tell that Sis Mazet is one of these women of that caliber. Women who do not look at what the problem is, they look at what solution can they bring. Now, we are looking at entrepreneurs. You say when you realize that now you are not working, ube self-employed, would you recommend more young people to go for entrepreneurship?
Kakhulu ngoba isimo uma sibheka njengamanje kunzima ngendlela eyisimanga kunabantwana abaningi esithi masibabona namhlanje uma ungumama uzwe kusikumele noma uthi uyabheka labantwana most of them bafundile uningi lwabo namhlanje sibabiza sithi abonyawo bamagama abuhlungu nanzima. But laba bantwana if beyingekho lanto ukuthi umntwana umfundisa ukuthi uye esikolweni uyabuya uzosebenza ayikho ukuthi angakhona ukuthi aziphilele umntwana ugcina ba frustrated umntwana uend up ayohlala ayoma emakhoneni ziningi izinto ezifundwayo emakhoneni namhlanje uthola ukuthi umntwana akho bekangabhemi sasa sombona izithupha zimnyama umntwana uyabhema laba bangana balapha estradini babafundisa ezinye izinto lezi wena mzali ungamfundisanga. So if ever abantwana bethu besibafundisa ukuthi okungenani funda ukuziphilela uba ngaba uthengisa something uyakhona ukuthi ube nokuphila ungaphileli wena wedwa sowuphilela necommunity yakho. Kunabantwana bangamantombazana namhlanje ababona ukuthi ukuze ngithola imali it's better ngithola umntwana bathi kunemali karamram and leyo mali ayibenzeli next at the end of the day. Kunamhlanje babheka imali ye stress relief bazitshela ukuthi leya mali leya into ezobaphilisa kanti yona leya mali if umntwana uwise enough uyakhona ukuthi ayenze imbewu. Uma ngikhuluma ngembewu but sizwe uyazi ukuthi sinomhlabathi angithi uma unomhlabathi unokhozo oluyi1 lombili ulifaka emhlabathini at the end of the day awusathola ukhozo oluyi1 lombili uthola isikhwebu at the end of the day ukhona ukuthola amasaka. So leya madlanyana encane leya stress relief abayitholayo than ukuthi bahambe ufaka amazipho bahambe bodlala amakhadi ngayo bahambe bayokwenza inwele kungani ukuthi umuntu ayithathe leya mali ayokwenza something. You can even take mhlambi 200 rands saka le flour namhlanje 130 something uthola mhlambi yeast it's round about 5 rands ayothola ushukela amixe lapha ayenze noma ngamagwinya lapha ekhoneni uluze ini bazothina abantu ngeke ngikwenze lokho ngcono ngiyozitholela usugar daddy ngizokhona ukuthi ngithola imali angazi ngizwa kakuhle
I feel you.
so but sizwe if ever bantwana bethu besibafundisa indlela yokuphila ekahle bantwana bethu kuba yikho yonke lento mzansi kuba yikho yonke lento khona.
Wow. So you're looking at your situation and you're thinking, what can you do with the little that you have? Sis Mazet says, even her business started very small. So do not look down on small beginnings. You know, look big in whatever seed that you are planting. Like she made an example Ngombile, that out of his kwebu just see one, you can get a lot of seeds and you'll plant and you plant and you plant. Now let's go back from, you said in your childhood, already there you saw opportunities. Already you're saying magnum sindo la payana saying yazi ukuthi akuna teacher, my business will be going. Sorry. So what can we do in making sure that we can see more opportunities? Because when anjalo la ngathi kunenkinga khona, already saw the solution ukuthi hayi this is what we're going to bring. Is that natural because you are observant or you trained your mind to always look for opportunities?
Angeke ngaze ngasho kanjalo but sizwe. Maybe ngathi isiphiwo sami. Because one day umntanami nje second born yami namantombazana nje amathathu amahle engiwathandayo.
Yes.
I-last born yami uthi mama uma ungathiwa ngelinye ilanga nje lezi moto nazo azisekho ungaphila kanjani? Ngithi mntanami imoto mina ngiqala ngayo ibusiness.
Wow.
Imoto ngiyithole endleleni. So ama opportunities wabona nje. Like for instance umuntu yakhona ukuthi nje mawumile ubheka lapha loya nomile lapha eGauteng uzibuza ukuthi ngingamsiza ngani.
Oh wow.
Kwasayena lo mili ngokumbulisa nje umuntu butsizwe. Uyamuza ukuthi sawubona kunjani uzwa ngevoice ukuthi lo muntu something is not right.
Wow.
Ngokufikelela kwakho umbuza impilo uyezwa manje lo muntu kukuphi la ngingamsiza khona.
Wow.
Hayi ngemali ngokukhuluma naye.
Wow.
Ukhuluma nje. So i-opportunity leyo ungakhona ukuthi uyisebenzise because it's not about money. Mawubona opportunity uyichange uyenze business. It's about ukusiza nje umuntu nje ngempilo nje. Omunye umuntu ungamsizanga ngento edliwayo. Ungamsizanga ngeapula mhlawumbe isinki uhlangana naye ukhuluma naye wamotivate lesa spirit sakhe athi ngiyabonga ukuhlangana nawe wenze usuku lwami lwaba impumelelo.
Wow.
So uma ukhuluma ngeopportunity angisabhekile opportunity ukuthi ngiyenze mina inzuzo. Ngibheki opportunity ukuthi ngikhona ukwazi ukuthi ngibe nokufinyelela nakulabo abamoyo phansi. Zikhona izinto ezihlupha abantu butsizwe. Ngiyazi ukuthi njengamanje ubheke that opportunity business wise. But mina ngibheki opportunity indlela zonke. Ukuthi le ngingayisebenzisa kanjani ukuze ibe inzuzo kimi ibe inzuzo kuyena at the same time.
So ubuntu, greet people, you know, iba umuntu wazi ukuthi what is it that abantu abayidingayo in the community, because sometimes uhleli nje you only listening to yourself, you don't know what people need. Uthi ukuthi lento wena ohleli nayo is what the community needs. You know, if water with your gift of doing cakes, we would not have one of the most successful bakery, you know, from a cast. Because one thing that is inspiring about your life is that you did not really do business in town, which is easy because down, but you succeeded here. And I was speaking with you about COVID-19. How did you survive? Because many businesses closed at that time. And we saw a lot of them closing down because tough times of businesses that we've ever seen as a country. What made you to survive that?
Isikhathi se-COVID sibenzima kakhulu. Even namanje kusesenzima. Ngisurvivile kwisikhathi se-COVID ngokuthi mina mangiwumuntu nginje. Ebusinessini lami engiliranayo. Nginalento yokuthi ngafundiswa nguvimba. Into ekuthiwa ibank.
Yeah.
Each and every time mangisebenza ngayenza turnover yosuku. But ngiyazi at the end of the day kumele ngiye kuphi ebank.
Okay.
Yes. So ngiye ngasurvive ngaleyo ndlela leyo ukuthi ngibona mangibona ukuthi isimo lesi sesinzima kakhulu. ziningi indlela zokuthi ngakwazi ukuthi ngibe nokuphumelela ukuthi ngihambe ngiye kuvimba ngibona ukuthi manje awapha ama-changes ekumele ngiwenze kuleli business enginalo.
Wow.
Because isikhathi se-COVID yebo kube nzima kusesenzima but uma ngabe uwumuntu webhizinisi akumelanga uthatha amaqanda wakho wonke uwabeke esakeni elilodwa.
Oh, wow.
Ngoba ngani once waba focus lapha uzolahlekelwa yikho konke wabona leli wanabona wonke. So kumele ube umuntu obhekayo ama-opportunities ukuthi lama opportunities ngawasebenzisa kanjani. Mina-ke kwelami ibhizinisi since ngiwumuntu one-bakery ngiqale ngesinkwa mina mangibheka ama-rolls nani and then ngaqhubeka nabo ma-muffins but ngathi mangibheka imarket yami ngathola ukuthi abantu engibasupplyayo ngabantu abangathathi intweni ngakhatha off ama-muffins ngadistribute isinkwa lezi nako konke ngisebenza ngazo.
Okay.
So ngabona ukuthi competition is very high ngapha ngaya kwisite lamakhekhe lapho ngahamba ngashelela ngakhohlwa nokumarket business but then now ngithema kufika lesikhathi se-COVID ngabona ukuthi angikhohlwe manje ukuthi ngifocus angibheke ukuthi okay na i-challenge ifikile le challenge angiyenze kube advantage kimi. Seyikhona ngithi manje challenge abantu baphelelwe imisebenzi abantu abasathatha intweni nale misebenzi inyane beyikhona ayisekho.
True.
So abantu abasakhona ukuthenga isinkwa manje abantu kubona kunzima mina ngiye ngathatha that advantage ngayisebenzisa.
Wow.
Ngaqala ukwenza amagwinya mangiqala ukwenza amagwinya angithi igwinya manje it's R1.50 siyazisonto igwinya li-R1.50 kunabantu abangakhona uku-afforda u-R21 no-R20 wesinkwa. So uma umuntu enale R20 uyakhona ukuthi udla nomndeni wakhe wonke. Uyazi ukuthi if bantwana bawu5 uthenga amagwinya R15 uyahamba uyodlusalelwa u5 endlini.
Wow.
So mina le challenge bese sahlangabezana naye sahlangabezana nayo namhlanje ngikhona ukuyisebenzisa ngayenza ukuthi ngikhona ukuthi ngikhulise ibhizinisi lami.
Wow.
Uma ngikhuluma nawe nje manje uSizwe nginamakhono awu5 wamagwinya. Nginabantu more than 10 ababhekene nalawa makhono. Uma ngikhuluma nawe nje line ima until 12 o'clock. So ngisurvivile ngokuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngitshintshe lesimo ngingasithatha singokuthi nje siyisimo sokuthi kuphelile. Mangiveza iplan yokuthi ngiphile. Mangiveza iplan yokuthi futhi ngiphinde ngisize umphakathi.
Oh wow.
So ngisurvivile mina ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi ngingayeki ngapha ngokungenani mangikhulise.
Uvela ithubelisha manje.
Most ama businesses nalabe bezenzela lawo magunyanyana amancane bahleli manje abasasebenza. But mina ke okunye engikusebenzayo ukuthi ngazijwayeza ukuthi ngithenge in bulk ngizokhona ukuthi ngisave. So thina singasoma business amancane if ever singakwazi ukuthi simanyane. Sikhona ukuthenga in bulk cause kunzima ukuvele nje mhlawumbe ukuthi ube nemali isisumbulo semali ukuthi ukhona ukuthi uyostocka wenzani unless ukhona ukuthi uhlangane nomunye usomabhizinisi ekuyinto enzima kithina
Especially yes.
Because most of the time once wabona i-competitor yakho usuya uyathukuthela awukwazi ukuthi uhambe ye-competitor yakho can shake izandla ungene ebakery uthenga i-product yakhe once wathenga that product ukhona ubonayo ukuthi kulangilekha khona uthi ngenze
experience their product.
Yes and uma wenza kanjalo nakho ubudlelwane naye mind angithi it's like nizi enemies within abantu but at the same time asona ama enemies.
Wow.
Singabantu bekumele siyahlangana siqhubeke senze ibusiness. So uma ukhona ukuthi uhlangane nalaba osebenzisana nabo kubalula kakhulu.
Wow.
Siyakwazi ukuthi sithenge ngesizumbulo sikhona ukuthenga in bulk. So mina nginaleyo nhlanhla ke yokuthi ngithenge in bulk ngiyakhona ukuthi ngisave.
Wow.
Ingakho ke mina ngikhonela ukuthi ngibe ngiyawela kulomfulo onzima esibhekene nawo.
Wow. So you are a group of women or you are an individual khona umazi ngathi competition yakho hamba ohlala naye phansi or also what Osmazet has said here hamba othenga iproduct yakhe experience them and you will feel ukuthi mhlambe kukuphi la ningasebenzisana khona. She says it's not always that your competitor should be your enemy. Your competition could be people that you can work with and collaborate with. And kanjalo you'll be able to go to the market as organized, and in nizokwazi ukuthi even your pricing would be different because you're going in collaboration. You have just sum up what the success of many Somalians, the success of many Indians, all these different races, bayakwazi ukuhlangana in business. We still have a lot of challenge in collaboration in our black communities. So I think I want to look at school now. Guti, you are doing schoolwork and you have to also do business. Which one came first for you? The schoolwork or the business?
Sizwe. Mina ke njengoba bese ngishilo ngithi bengiphila nomama, sister wami no brother wami.
Yeah.
Sister wami bekangasebenzi.
Okay.
Umuntu nje uzibambela lapha nalapha.
Okay.
Brother wami bekasebenza. So mina uma ngivuka ekseni bengivuka ekseni each and every day ngiumuntu wenza ama house chores.
Okay.
Ngafundiswa kanjalo from ugogo ekhaya. Mina ugogo bekakutshela kahle athi intombazana awulali ilanga lize liphume. So mina nje I used ukuthi nje ngivuke 5 o'clock ngaleso sikhathi, not now.
Okay.
So bengithi mangivuka ngigeza izitsha mina endlini besihlala kwi 3-room house. Ngivuka ngigeza lezi zitsha manje ngilala sitting room. Mina ngiqoqa izinto zami ngespeed.
Wow.
Zibe sendaweni. Ngigeza izitsha before ngiye esikoleni. Ngiclean i-toilet ngaphandle before ngiye esikoleni. Ngesikhathi ngigeza izitsha mina incwadi yami la. Ngiyafunda. Because thina ngaleso sikhathi besishaywa. Bekumele ukreme. Izinto zihlale la. Incwadi bamanzi ngapha uyafunda ugeza izitsha. At the same time uyahamba esikoleni incwadi yakho ila uyakrema cause kuzothwa what is chlorophyll. Kumele usho ukuthi what is chlorophyll.
If awukremanga
namhlanje sehlele emqondweni wami ngiyamtshela umntanami ngithi mntanami yini chlorophyll. Mama lezi zinto zibamba namhlanje izinto engazifunda mina ngisazibambile, so bengikhona ukubalansisa umsebenzi wesikolo nebusiness yami.
Wow.
And mina bengismart esikoleni ke. Bewungeno melana nami.
Wow.
Ngalesikhathi ngibusy ngithengisa ngapha izifundo zami nazo zihamba phambili. Abo member mungababiza nje ukuthi unjani uZanele.
Wow. Oh, that's so beautiful story to share. That even in difficult times, the pressure will always, rise. But if you have a positive attitude towards life, you'll be able to face challenges and be of triumph. Now, looking at your life today, if we had awards in our community, like I said to you, you'll be one of those women who will receive the award without any doubts because you have been tried and tested in business. And you are a living library, Kumele sithathe a lot of this knowledge from you so that we can share with a lot of women, So what would you say as your last words, just to encourage young women, mama, what is in your heart that you want to share with them?
Hey, mbokodo enhle nithandekayo. Esizwa silutho ngaphandle kwini, mbokodo.
Yeah.
Kwintsha yethu kakhulukazi abesifazane sengathi singake sihlukane okanye nihlukane nokuraba ama shoulders nabantu abangekho right.
Yeah.
Sihlukane nokuphuma nama gowns siyothenga amagwinya etradi. Siye ema tuck shop nama gowns. Sibe yilabantu ukuzirape nabantu aba successful obonayo ukuthi lo muntu lo ngingazuza lukhulu kuyena. Sengathi intsha yethu ingake zivulele yona amathuba emisebenzi.
Wow.
Sengathi intsha ikakhulukazi embokodo ingaba yilabantu ukuthi uma uvuka ukuzibuka esipilini uzibuza ukuthi mina ngiubani, ngifunani, yini purpose yokuthi ngibe semhlabeni. Ngithanda ukubakhuthaza kakhulu abesifazane ikakhulukazi kwezamabhizinisi.
Yes.
Uma ngithi ngiyachecka kuma statistics, it's about 21.9% kuphela yabantu besifazane abarana amabhizinisi. Engibona ukuthi bekungafanele ukuthi kube njalo la eMzansi because isimo sempilo siya ngokubanzima ngokubanzima.
Wow.
So if nje singaba yilabo abantu abazitshela sibe positive sibe confident nje uzitshele ngisho nosomabhizinisi usakaqalile omncane ungazinyezi.
Yes.
Mawulapho kulelo khona okulona zitshele nje ube na that voice wazi inner strength yakho ukuthi ikuphi kangakanani. Ube ngulwamuntu o intelligent but sizwe akona ukuthi uyesikolweni. Akona ukuthi ube nama degrees okanye ubukeke umuhle. Yilo muntu okhona ukulalela that inner voice engaphakathi kwakhe. Umuntu one courage ozitshelayo ukuthi mina ngiyimi ngizokwenza lokho. Uthi noma uhleli kulelo khona uthi ufikile wenze 50 rands ungathi kusasa ngisayi. Ibana lento ethi kusasa ngizavuka ngizokwenza more. Singavumeli ifear isilimite. Ifear ilimite nama visions wethu. Sengathi singaba yilabo abantu nje ozitshela ukuthi mawuvuka unyathele ngokuziqhenya. Unyathele usifuba sakho usikhiphe ngaphandle.
Yes.
Phakamisa ikhanda uthi I can do it. Mawuthi I believe I can fly. Usho ngokuzethemba. Hayi njengomuntu nje ogocobele. Sengathi ngathi mawuvuka ekseni uvuka ube ulamuntu othi ngivukile baba ngiyabonga. Lo suku onginikeza lona. Let me go and do it change emphakathini wethu.
Yes.
Sishintshe. Sikuzophela labantwana labesibabona begcwele ezitradini umntwana nomntwana mbokotho ngumntwana wakho. Uyazi singekaqedi nje but sizwe ngeke ngahlangana nengane encane. I'm sure ina 18 19 years lo mntwana ngiyamazi ubuye varsity. Seba u3 ekhaya. Basebenza. Abanye benza medicine bonke nje benza lesimo semedicine ekhaya kibo. Uyafika uthi Mama Khoza ngicela 50 rand ngithi uzoyenzani 50 rands. Uthi ngizothengisa ama-ice ngaqala. Okay. Ngiyamnikeza 100 rands. Uyaphuma uyothenga ama-ice uyafika nendawo sithi office thina lapha ngakithi. Thengisa lama-ice athi mangidlula ngemoto mfana uwaphethe lama cool time uyathengisa. Zibuze lo mntana ubuye varsity. Omunye umntana uzohlala abe busy necomputer endlini laptop nani lamafoni. But ube nalo amqondo loya wokuthi ithi ngenze something because umama ungifundisile yet angakatholi umsebenzi. Thengisa lama-ice lama cool time. Mangifike ngithi ngiphi ice uthi uzoyidla mama ngithi ngizoyidla. Mangiqeda ngithenga i5. Ngithi nikeza labo mina bangani inyana bakhe bayathengisa mangifika imoto uzothengisela nami ngiyathenga. Uthi mama ngiyabonga. Uyazi namhlanje futhi sizwe lo mntwana akangikhohlwa. Because namhlanje usebenza kule nto wayeyifuna. Akazange athi lo mntwana ngoba ngifundile kwamele ngilindele ukuthi ngize ngithole umsebenzi. Singathi ke thina mbokodo wonke umntwana kube ngumntwana wethu. Noma sowukhona ebusinessini ungathi ngizisebenzela mina ubheke la ukhohlwe laba abanye. Khona isikhathi sokuthi uthengise ufuna inzuzo, khona isikhathi sokuthi unikele bothisizwe. Uma unikela uyawubusiseka. So mbokodo yakithi sengathi singangabi abantu abazicabangela thina sodwa. Sengathi lokho okuncane sinako sikhohle ukuthi nje kumele sikusebenzise nje budlapha. Kodwa siqoqela nabanye. Asibe ngabomama mana aba strong. Abomama bazethembayo nabanyathela ngokuzethemba ukuze umntwana wakho abone role model la kuwena.
Yes.
Ukuze ingane yakho yomfana ithi ngifuna unkosikazi ofana nomama. Ngoba ebeno wena. Uthi mawuhamba nabonye bobaba bathi sengathi unkosikazi wami angafana naloya. Angenza kanjeya. So singathi simbokodo. Ngiyakhuthaza kakhulu amathuba amabhizinisi maningi. Kakhulu. Mina ngiwumuntu othanda ukusebenzisa ama-talent amaningi. Mawungathi angibheka ngenza konke. Abanye bazi bathi khona into ongayenzi Makhoza. Mina ngiyathunga izigqoko. Ngiyathunga into ngiyigqonye umuntu othanda ukufunda. Sengathi abantu singabanjalo. Ungathi mawubamba ifoni kube into yakho nje ozodlala ngayo. But bamba ifoni ufunde kuyo something uzenzele. Siyimbokodo sengathi singabanjalo. Sibambane, simanyane, siyekele ukumonelana. Khonto enzima njengomona. Mawubona into enhle umuntu ayenzile sengathi ungafisela ukuthi nawe ungayenza. once waba naleyo nto le ngathi ngayenza le nto ngeke uzungayenza if ever uyafuna ukuthi uthole ulwazi komunye sengathi singamanyana sibe nje uma unotho lwaziyo linikezele nakwabanye ungazenzela ukuthi kuyinto yakho yodwa uyakhona ukwenza lento mase uhamba emhlabeni uyinikeze bani akekho omunye umuntu omnikezile
Wow.
sengathi ke singathi siyimbokodo sinje singasabi ukwenza izinto sinama opportunities amaningi kusizwe amaningi ngendlela exakile uyakhona ukuthi uyakwazi ukwenza something uthi ngicela igroup yabomama sihlangane mina ngikwenzele kaningi lokho nginifundisa ukwenza ukuthi cause anginaso isikhathi sokuyenza lento mina ngibhizi okunye ubabiza abomama babeke la 1 2 3 abasekho uyamanga lo iwanazibambela grabber khona ukuphumelela ephambili sengathi singawasebenzisa ama opportunities esiwatholayo singadlali ngawo.
Oh wow, you need to come back again. Ngathi we can listen to her wisdom eating from the bosom of her knowledge. Uyadleka futhi ngathi umuntu angalokalalele from all the knowledge that you have gathered today. Thank you so much for honoring us. Thank you so much for the heart that you have shared with us. The heart of an entrepreneur, the heart of a woman of South Africa, a woman of triumph, like we have said. Thank you very much, Emakaya. I hope and believe that you are inspired today from the humble beginnings up until where she is today. You may do it. You can do it. Believe in yourself. She says, believe in yourself. Do not play small. Make sure that you believe in yourself. Tell yourself that I can do it and you will do it. May God bless you. May God be with you. Thank you very much.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you.